Not a home run.
Depends on how you feel about the weather. We are seeing a little bit of rain out there this morning. These showers are very elevated, so what I had to do to get them to show up on radar was turn on some of our other radar beams, not just Corpus Christi, because it was scanning too low in the atmosphere. So we're seeing some of that rain across Nueces County now. That's going to track toward Portland and across Aransas County toward Rockport as well. But overall, not expecting much rain. This is going to be very light, very isolated activity that's going to diminish as we continue on throughout the day. We'll see south winds picking up pretty strong through the morning, gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Warm and humid pattern is going to continue into the weekend, even with a cold front that's going to near the coastal bend. And then we are going to see some rain, but that's going to be late next week. Those are the three things to know as you're headed out the door this morning. We are in a very humid air mass right now and a very warm air mass. That's why our temperatures are in the 70s, mid 70s as you're headed out the door this morning. And just all of that instability from all this heat, even though it's in the morning, but all of this heat and all of this moisture creates a really unstable atmosphere. And that's the reason for some of those spotty showers and even a rumble of thunder you may have heard early on this morning. Now, the actual forcing isn't quite here yet. That would produce severe weather, and all of that is going to stay for the most part to our north. The strongest forcing closer to that area of low pressure where we see a moderate risk there across the Midwest, Iowa into Illinois, moderate risk of severe weather. Additionally, Memphis, another target zone there into north and northeast Arkansas as well as that front is moving through. For us in Texas, we're going to see some storms firing up right along Interstate 35 right about 3 o'clock. But for us in South Texas, we're part of that low-level jet right now. That's why it's going to be windy through the morning. Where the strongest winds are going to be is where we're going to see that greatest risk of severe weather, greatest risk of tornadoes. We're going to see the wind weaken. Look, we lose the color as we continue throughout the day today. So we're going to see lighter winds later on this afternoon, which is untypical. Typically, we see lighter winds in the morning, stronger winds in the afternoon. It's going to be a little bit of the opposite of that. Few showers possible. That is diminishing as we head into the afternoon. Will be rather warm and humid. 89 degrees your high, but look at this wind. Sustain around 24 miles per hour at 10 a.m., around 16 miles per hour at 4 p.m. Then we'll be 12 to 14 miles per hour heading into the overnight hours. It is going to be a hot one. We'll near 90 in Corpus Christi, 90 in Robstown, 93 in Orange Grove. Lows overnight, 70s across the board, even at the coast. Some patchy fog, especially sea fog, marine fog, will be possible. That front that's going to be responsible for the severe weather does move into South Texas. It kind of stalls, lifts back north as a warm front. So we're going to stay rather humid and warm through the weekend. We see some storms across Dallas and North Texas heading into Sunday and Monday, but our next cold front, the one I hinted at bringing some rain, that moves through Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be the day we see some rain, a low pressure system coming up out of the south. It may keep us in a rainy, unsettled weather pattern toward the end of next week. But for now, as that system is approaching, our next storm system will be windy Monday and Tuesday and hot. Those will be southerly winds, bumping temperatures back to near 90 as well Monday and Tuesday. We're near 90 today. We see our best shot of rain late next week. John Thomas, Lexus.